This is Robert with Pioneer Smokehouses, and this is a quick look at the Giantex 3-in-1 charcoal grill smoker. Now basically, the reason it's 3-in-1 is because you can take it apart and reconfigure it into a grill or whatever you want. So far, I've done a few tests with it. I did the seasoning and the assembly. Assembly was very simple. It has standard picture instructions, and everything came together without an issue, no problems, no hassles. The smoker itself is 3 pieces. You've got the lid, you have the mid section and the bottom section, and it simply locks together just like this. On the bottom section, you have a grill grate and a water pan, and then down below, you have the charcoal pan with a grate inside it to keep the charcoal from sitting on the bottom. That's a really nice touch, one of my favorite things. Simply put this back on here like this, and you give it a twist, and it locks right in place. Now, these simply open and close. You probably want to use an oven mitt when you're opening and closing them during operation because they do get a little bit warm, but other than that, everything else performs just as normal. Now remember, with a smoker like this where you have a bowl in the bottom, you will need to control the temperature by managing your fuel, because managing your air input is not an option. However, this thing is going to be a great smoker, and it's also going to work really well as a camping unit if you want to take it and go grilling. So check out the full video in the link below and see some of the videos in the future on the playlist. Thanks for watching.